What is up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX. I told you guys I will be uploading a lot more often now. I have a lot of content for you guys ready, and I just need to pick up the vlog camera and start vlogging. So here I am today. And first of all, today we're going to be doing the 0506 A-Spec lip. Now you're probably wondering, Aaron, I thought you already have a 0506 A-Spec lip on your car. And yes, it is right here. As you guys probably know, it is fiberglass. And it is no bueno because I already cracked it right here and right here, but I'm too lazy to fix it and just do all that. So I bought this one, which is actually OEM. As you guys can probably tell right there, right here, it is not fiberglass, it is OEM. The sticker or the branding or the stamp is right here, but you guys can't see it because it's a little bit dusty and I can't really take off this overspray, which I don't really care because you guys can already tell. But yeah, there is some drips right here that I need to cut and buff, which is pretty easy. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to throw it on the car. And the fitment should be a lot better. I already test fitted it than that one. But if you guys are looking for a 0506 A-Spec lip, hit me up in the DM, offer me something. And I know these lips are hard to come by, so if you guys don't want to wait the 3-month wait and pay $480 for a brand new one, hit me up in the DM. There is some things that need to be fixed, which is pretty much easy if you guys are willing to fix it. And the only major things is the scratches on the bottom, since I am very low, which is pretty much easy to fix, and these cracks right here, just 1 and 2, but that shouldn't be a problem if you guys are really wanting a A-Spec lip. So hit me up in the DM. We'll talk about prices and whether you guys are far or not, or you guys want to make a drive or meet me halfway. I am down to do that. But yeah, we're going to be cut and buffing this and throwing it on the car. I will show you guys the splitters I use on the A-Spec lip. Since you guys asked me a lot what splitter I run on the A-Spec lip, and I'll show you guys later once I'm done with this. So let's get right into sanding and buffing this out. And here's the final look, you guys, with the splitter on. Looking good, looking good. And if you guys are wondering what splitter I'm using, it's a lip called the Air Lip. You can get this at AutoZone or Amazon. It is about like 30 bucks or 25 bucks. I'm not too sure, but there are 2 different kinds. There is the regular one that I have right here, and it's just like straight black, but it is more flimsier than this one. This is a more carbon type of look, and it's more durable than the regular one, so I prefer this one over the regular Air Lip. It has that shiny carbon look, and it is more durable and doesn't flex as much as the regular one, but it looks good. It's just a little bit dirty, but finally have the lip on, and I will install it later once my assistant is here. And you guys can see the old lip. Yeah, it's kind of, yeah, versus sheesh, it's a little bit dirty, but we'll fix that soon. Since it is held up by 3M tape, I just put on these little clamps so it'll just secure while I am putting on the Z-stocks. And you guys are wondering why I'm putting Z-stocks, just the rear for the RSX. It is because the front tires are pretty much done for. You guys can probably tell right there. Yeah. Oh my god, I've been driving that for like this past weekend. I was wondering why my car was shaking because of that. Oh my god, I got no traction at all. Ew, this shit nasty, boy. You guys can see the cutouts I made. You guys are wondering how I fit the 0506 A-Spec lip on the car. That is what you cut. If you guys want to cut more, you can, but that's the minimum you guys can cut. But other side too. Oh my god. Stance life. I've had these tires for about like what, 3 months. These are still pretty good life. I'm gonna throw these in the front and then throw the Z stocks in the rear, and hopefully it doesn't look too funny, but it's just gonna be temporary till next week till I get new tires. And yeah, let's get started into, ooh, it's hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. But yeah, let's get started putting these Z stocks on the RSX. Alright, so I kind of gave up on filming the other day. It got too hot, and I don't know, I just got irritated because like it's super hot and I was just on the concrete working on my car. But I finally got the wheels off the Z and put it on the RSX. Here's the Z right here on jack stands. It's gonna be there for a little bit, but here's the car with the Z stocks. It's not too bad, but I'm still missing that goddamn side skirt, but it's cool. I feel like if I had smaller tire on these Z stocks, like the fronts, it would look pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Like, look at this side angle. Like, it's not too bad. It kind of reminds me of grandma's, you know what I'm saying? And for those running these stocks, these are actual raised wheels. So these ain't no reps. Yeah, I'm running real wheels, so don't roast me in the comments saying this shit's ugly when I'm running actual raised wheels. But I finally got the front lip on the RSX. It was kind of a bitch to put on because you need somebody to put on both sides at the same time to get that best fitment you can get. It's not too bad. Way better fitment than the DC5 Association one. There's still some gap, you guys can probably tell, but I tried my best. Me and my dad actually put on both these sides, and it's not terrible, you know. It's better than before, especially this, the little side angle right here, the best it can do. And yeah, RSX is looking pretty good. And damn, I'm kind of low, but I'm getting a new splitter pretty soon. I'm gonna head down to San Jose and pick up a new splitter because this is too flimsy, and whenever I go on like a driveway or whatever, it just like flops over and I gotta stick it back on, which is pretty annoying. Also, when I'm driving on the road and I hit like a pretty bad bump, it'll just flop over again and I gotta stick it back on once I park, and it won't look that bad. So yeah, looks pretty good. It does need a wash and it does need a new side skirt, but we'll get that out pretty soon. Yeah, fitment not too shabby, you know what I'm saying? And oh, look at that. Oh, damn, look at that fitment, boy. But yeah, here's the other side. It's not too bad. It isn't too bad, I'm not gonna lie. Just raised up the car a little higher in the rear because I used to be touching on the ground with the side skirt, but now these are fatter tires, so I'm raised up just a quite bit, but it's not too bad. Like, not that bad on this angle, but yeah. She's super fucking dirty. Like, look at this shit. Oh hell no. But I'm about to give her a car wash pretty soon. If not today, probably another day with the boys or something, or with my girlfriend. And yeah, I'm really getting bored of the Tesla wheels. Even though I have like kind of like 2 sets of wheels, like I don't know, I'm getting bored of it like pretty quick. And I've only had these for like about like 3-4 months now, and yeah, I think it's time for a change. I'm gonna end the video here, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please hit that like button. Comment down below what y'all think about these Z stocks on the RSX. It's not gonna be for long. It's just gonna be temporary till I get new tires. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. More content coming soon, more vlogs coming soon. And I'll see y'all in the next video. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.